The first product that I'm going to show you today is the ErgoTec Ninja squeegee. It's available in sizes from 15 centimetre right the way up to 105 centimetre for large areas of glass. The ErgoTec Ninja features a TriLoc channel locking mechanism. When you open and release the handle at the back, you have a safety feature which prevents the channel from accidentally falling out. You have to make a deliberate press here, which then presses down, and then the channel is just simply twisted out. The swivel function of the handle is perfect for work at hard to reach areas and for when used on a telescopic pole. The ErgoTec Ninja also features a locking hole on the bottom of the handle. This is to ensure that when it fits onto one of cones on the telescopic poles, it actually locks in place. This is to prevent the squeegee falling off at height or from accidentally spinning on top of the cone. It's easily removed by pressing in the button there and slide off. Using the smart clips, you can easily replace the rubbers. It's simply opened, rubber can then slide out. The Ninja channels also feature two positions. With larger channels such as the 105 centimetre, you would use the rubber in position number 2. This pushes the rubber up higher and gives more contact with the glass to ensure that you have an even wiping effect